Hello sailors, welcome to Builderfly Sailor University. Now that you have created your online store, we believe that you are pretty excited to see your first product live on your online store. Building your product catalog with Builderfly is quick and easy. This is your Builderfly dashboard. From the features listed on the left side, click on Products. From here, you can manage your products and inventory. With this video tutorial, you will learn to add your product to your Builderfly store. Click Add to start with product listing. On Builderfly, you can sell both physical and virtual products. If you are selling downloadable products, select virtual. Else, choose physical products and click Continue with product listing. We will take you step by step to the 7 stages to complete your product listing. In the General section, here you can update high quality product images. Mention the name of your product, weight, quantity, SKU, product description, add bullet pointers and brief here. In the pricing section, you can update the price of your product. Here you can create quantity discounts for bulk shoppers. Let's say for 10 products, you set a different price. For 20, you set a different price. Click Save. Also, you can add customer group pricing distinctly for B2C and B2B buyers. Update a special price if you are running a weekly or monthly offer for the product. Mention the dates within which you want to sell at a special price. Update the text class, and you can add a video URL from here. Now jump to the next section. Next is the advanced section, where you can update advanced information about your products, like number, standard identification numbers like barcode, ISBN, UPC, GTN will be updated from here. Mention the brand name. Mention the in-stock quantity. Update the brand name if you are selling the branded products. Here, you can set the new product for launch in a store. Select Yes to see your product in the Featured Product section. Click on the related products and add the product similar to the one that you are listing on your store. Select and click Add. In the Assign Category section, you will see the product category for product you are listing. If your product doesn't fit in existing product categories, click on Add New Category to create a new product category. Name the category. Choose the parent category from the drop-down to set the hierarchy right. Use the toggle buttons here to enable or disable the sections where you want to mention this new category. Click Save and move to the next section, else cancel. Next is the variants. Here you can create as many product variants as you have available for your online store. Based on the differentiating product attributes like size, color, brand, you can offer different options for your customers to purchase from your online store. If you are choosing the color, you can choose the color code of the product as a differentiating factor. To enable the gift wrapping options for your product listing, update these settings here. Next is the SEO section, where you can update meta tags for your product, namely product title, link, product description, and vital keywords or the search terms that users often used to list your search to search the product that you are selling. This will help you improve the organic visibility of your product in the search engine result pages. If your product has the unique attributes that can enhance the chances of selling your product, add a custom field for your product. Here, you can add as many custom fields as you want to add. Based on the options that you choose, you will find the details in here. Save your product listing. Now, you can see the product that you have recently listed will be displayed in here. All of your product listings will be available in the View section. Scroll down, and here's the product that you have listed. Edit the product attributes, add more photos to your product listing, duplicate this listing to copy it, delete this product listing. When you click on it, you will be navigated to the edit section of this product listing. Click on View to view your product listing live on your online store. This is how your recently listed product looks on your website. You can scroll down and see here are the quantity discounts that you have added. Here's information, the additional information about your product, reviews. When you scroll, you will find below the related products that you have added to your listing. That's exactly how each of your product listing will look on your online store. Now you can try listing your products on your own. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next tutorial.